Have you seen the latest Higgsfield ads? With Higgsfield Ads, anyone can make pro product ads in few clicks. Let me show you some wild examples and how you can start creating your ads. To start creating your ads, follow the link in this video to Higgsfield website. Upload a product photo, pick one of 40+ templates, and walk away with a cinematic spot. So why does it matter? It does because you have studio quality visuals, 80+ motion styles baked in. And as for the template categories, you have the likes of product on pedestal, in-hand close-up, lifestyle freeze, location shot, face and product, and many more. Who's already using Higgsfield ads? Freelancers selling $1,000 ads, small brands shipping daily reels, UGC creators scaling content banks, agencies A/B testing hooks overnight. These people are making money already with Higgsfield ads, and you can join them to start doing the same.
Higgsfield Ads.